Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to security. Enter screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none and let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, pin, password, and in the end pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint and simply scan your fingerprint on the sensor located at the back of the phone. Right here. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time adjust fingerprint position. Now when it's done, we can use our fingerprint to unlock the phone. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply enter it, unlock, and set up your face using this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.